Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nintendo Switch OLED Pro Guide step by step clearly. To set up your Nintendo Switch OLED, start by unboxing the console and its components. Lay out the Nintendo Switch OLED, the dock, the Joy-Con controllers, and the AC adapter. Connect the Nintendo Switch dock to a power source by plugging in the AC adapter into the dock's power port. Take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the dock's HDMI out port. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor's HDMI input. Now, open the back cover of the dock and insert the Nintendo Switch OLED console into the dock. Make sure the console is securely seated in the dock and the screen faces the front. Next, power on your TV and switch to the appropriate HDMI input. Press the power button located on the console or the home button on the Joy-Con controllers to turn on the Nintendo Switch OLED. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language preference. Choose your internet connection type, either wired or wireless, and enter your. After connecting to the internet, you will be asked to perform a system update if available. Follow the prompts to complete the system update, ensuring you have the latest software. Once updated, you'll be guided through the user agreement and other initial setup options. Set up your Nintendo account by selecting Sign In or Create a new account. If you opt to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal information. After logging in, you can customize your user profile by choosing an icon and username. Once your account is set up, you can explore the Nintendo eShop for games and content. Check the battery level and charge your Joy-Con controllers if necessary. Add a microSD card to expand your storage if you plan to download multiple games. Your Nintendo Switch OLED is now fully set up and ready for gaming. Enjoy exploring all the features and games it has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.